So I have a surprise for you. Now I'm doing something that you will you will be happy when after repair this PlayStation 3 controller.
And it works
So
for
let's start
PlayStation
it. 14 ma.
It works for PlayStation 4 too.
Now take it out all four screws here. I think one of them here too. Let's take it out. One is loose. Oh, hold on a minute. Okay. So now what we're gonna do? Slowly and surely pull it. Da 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 da. Na 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 na. Let's see what is wrong. We're yeah. Now, guys. Hopefully, we just blow out the dust. Of course, we're trying to check everything. Is there any dust or anything that makes not work? Saw that. Did you see? Come. Did you really drop anything in water with this? Look, come.
See, look, there's dust on the analog stick.
Right here. Let me put it here.
There's dust. See, there's a lot of dust on it. Then also on the second one. So this is the problem. There's dust.
And rust.
Yeah.
Right.
So we need to
right
take
there.
it away. And there is also rust. If you see that color in there,
Yellow
that's
color.
rust.
Yeah,
so something.
Yellow color. You have to clean that too.
Yeah, if you see any rust, like on these ones, there's rust too. This could be a problem too. What's the solution?
Toothbrush.
Toothbrush or not?
See?
Toothpick?
Come here too. See?
Yeah. There's rust.
Rust too. I think some kind of water
or oil.
No.
Or just make sure that you don't drop oil.
I don't know. Maybe you guys you were drinking something and little drops came in, and so that makes the rust.